Broccoli gets its name from the Italian word bracco, which means flowering crest of a cabbage. It may not be a favorite vegetable for many people, especially children, but it has numerous characteristics that can benefit your entire body. It is one of the best vegetables for fighting several different health issues or diseases. It ranks first among other vegetables. Broccoli is low in calories, high in nutrients, and may be prepared and consumed in a variety of ways. Broccoli is reported to contain more vitamin C than an orange. It also contains a good amount of calcium, which is found in our own milk. Here is all the information you need to know about this superfood. Good for heart health. A new study emphasizes the potential benefits of broccoli for heart health and the prevention of cardiovascular disease. According to a study by the experts, regularly eating of steamed broccoli lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease. Broccoli can lower the body's overall cholesterol levels and reducing the thickening of blood vessel. Broccoli can significantly lower cancer risks. Yes, your chances of developing cancer can be significantly decreased by eating more broccoli. Sulforaphane, a phytochemical with anti-cancer properties found in high concentrations in broccoli, has been associated to lower incidences of breast, prostate, colon, lungs, and stomach cancers. Control blood sugar levels. Broccoli sprouts antioxidants, lessen cell damage and help to repair pancreatic cells. It thus boosts insulin secretion and lowers blood glucose levels. When consumed over an extended period of time, broccoli has been demonstrated to normalize high blood sugar levels. Broccoli, according to research, can lower high blood sugar levels and stop prediabetes from developing into type 2 diabetes. Liver protection. It's crucial to keep your liver healthy because it serves the body in a variety of ways. You may protect your liver and help in its restoration by making the decision to eat healthful natural diets. One of the best foods for our livers is broccoli. Broccoli includes substances known as glucosinolates, which not only shield liver cells, but also aid in the production of the glutathione enzyme. The body's primary antioxidant, glutathione, serves as the basis for various liver detoxification processes. Good for digestion. Constipation symptoms were lessened, and bowel motions were improved by eating more broccoli. Researchers discovered that broccoli may improve the intestinal barrier, which aids in protecting the intestines from contaminants, while allowing the body to absorb nutrients. In order to prevent bacterial overgrowth from adhering to our stomach walls, broccoli has phytonutrients that are transformed by our bodies into another substance that helps safeguard the health of our stomach lining. In this way, broccoli appears to have particularly potent stomach-supporting qualities. Support healthy brain function. If you frequently struggle with forgetfulness and absent-mindedness, the cruciferous green vegetable is thought to contain memory-preserving anti-amnesic effects to counter amnesia. This is a good reason to consume more broccoli. The greatest diet for enhancing memory and brain efficiency is to have a healthy blood flow to the brain. Similar to the foods you would eat to nourish and strengthen your heart. Broccoli is high in nutritional value. This vegetable contains phytochemical sulforaphane that makes it a brain healthy. Sulforaphane stimulates antioxidant reactions, which aid in brain performance, inflammation reduction, and neural cell regeneration of the brain. Supports a healthy immune system. Broccoli is high in vitamin C, which is likely the most important food for immunological function to boost immune system. According to research, vitamin C plays a function in both the prevention and treatment of many illnesses, as well as the prevention of certain infections. We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.